Welcome to my channel, and in this video we are going to learn about the insert, delete and the format option of the cells tab under the home tab. Okay, so here I have a table. Okay, I have a table of the student names, and now we are going to see how to apply this option insert, delete and format to this table. So in the why do we use insert option? So insert option is used to insert rows and columns. Okay friends, it is used to insert rows and columns, right friends? Now I'm selecting a row. So first thing you need to use first thing that you have to do to use insert, delete or format option is to select the rows or select the columns. Okay, now I have selected the student Ishwari is. Now I have selected that row, her name, her marks and her subjects, and now click on that insert arrow of that insert, and after clicking on arrow you can see insert cells, insert sheet rows. Okay, so click on insert sheet rows or insert sheet columns. So as we need rows, I'm clicking on rows. Friends, now I need to add another student's name. So as I have already inserted the row, so it is easy for me to add. So I will write another student's name, and I will also enter his marks, right? Then yeah, this is friends, observe. Do you observe that the total is automatically getting changed as I am entering the values? You'll also see the calculations and functions in the Excel in the future videos. Okay, so now my okay, I have inserted a row, and that uh, I have used that row to write and to enter the marks of a student. Now I also want to add another subject. Okay, I want to add science. There are four subjects: English, Maths, GK and Social. I want to add another subject. I want to add science. So for that you can if you want another new column between inserted between them, you can use insert sheet columns function. Okay, so I want it before GK, right? So I will just select the GK column and then click on insert tab arrow mark and then insert sheet column. Okay, so before GK column is inserted. So now I will rename it as science. Okay, now as now I'll enter the marks. So in this way we can insert the sheets, sorry, we can insert the rows and columns, and we can also insert sheets also friends. Insert sheet, right? See, sheet 3, before we were in sheet 2, sheet 3, and we have already discussed in our previous videos how to insert the sheet, rename the sheet, apply format to a sheet. Okay, so now till now we have discussed about the insert option. Now let us come to the delete option. Delete means just opposite of the insert option. In an insert we add rows and columns, but in delete we just delete the rows and columns. Okay, now I want to delete the science column. Okay, so click on arrow mark and you also get various options: delete sheet rows, delete sheet columns, delete table rows. Now I'll click on delete sheet columns. Okay, as I have selected a column. See, now the science has disappeared, the science column has disappeared. That means I have deleted that science column. Okay, so in that way we can also delete the rows also. I don't want Rajendran's marks. Okay, so I'll select delete and then delete sheet rows. So Rajendra's row has been deleted. Okay, in that way we can add and also delete the rows and columns. And now next is our format. In format option, we have various options over here: row height, column width, default width, hide and hide. But these options, friends, hide and hide, we have already discussed in our starting videos. Okay, basics of Excel, please watch that videos. Okay, have discussed about the unhide, rename sheet, copy sheet, tab color. Okay, those are the basics. So in this video we will only discuss about the cell size option. Okay, so now I will select a row and now click on format option. In here we have row height, column width. Okay, I want to decrease the row height. Default it is 15. I want to decrease it to 7. So enter. Friends, the row height, okay, the height of the row is decreased. Now I want to be normal. Okay, what to fit it to the normal, okay, the previous width. So for that use we can click on auto fit row height. That means it will adjust the height to the default one. Okay, adjust the height to the default one. And then we also have the column width. Now in order to apply the column width option, select a column and then I'll click on column width. Okay, so it is by default it is 8.3. I'll increase it to 10. So 10, then okay, so it is increased. Now I want it to be a default, so click on auto fit. Auto fit means default, friends. Auto fit row height means default row height. Auto fit column width with default okay, default column width. So hide and hide. See, I want to hide this row. Okay, you have to hide this row, click on format cells, hide row. Okay, all the rows have been hidden. Now I click on format and then unhide rows. The rows have been unhidden. So in this way we can use the insert, delete and format options. Let us just summarize the options which we have learned. So the insert option, insert means to insert the rows and columns and also sheets. Okay friends, delete means just opposite of that, deleting the rows and columns which we have inserted. Format means applying formats. Format means namely the row height, the column width. Okay, increase and decreasing, hiding and hiding the sheets. Okay friends, this is all we have discussed in this video. So friends, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel or also hit the bell icon to get my latest updates. Thank you for watching my video, friends.